'26 Ford Coupe with a little doggy in the window. A little doggy in the window. Okay, and there's the doggy. I think I just saw this dancing at the last show. And you guys are still here.
Yeah. That was a
ooh, that's a nice bike. Look at that. This is my style for red. That's a nice bike. 67. Wow. Holy. Now, is this a 57? I'm going to say it is. Again, you can pause that. I'm out in, it's called Gresham, it's east suburb of Portland. It's grown quite a bit. A lot more people, a lot more activities. Police are here.
Hi, Saskia! Saskia, come here! Just come here!
You got Ghostbusters too?
Yeah, totally.
Hello!